This brand is made in China and are sold online. All of their units use a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They use self-evaporating technology to minimize the need to empty a condensate bucket, but they only have a basic washable filter which does not do much to improve the air quality in the room. The units have auto swing louvers for improved air circulation throughout the room. The QPCA models are for cooling only and have 3 fan speeds with a 7.7 EER efficiency and a noise rating of 55 decibels. The QPFA units are for cooling only, but they are quieter with a noise rating equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator and are less efficient with a 6.1 EER efficiency. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.